Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating one of my favorite sets that I've seen on an influencer. If you guys know Kirah Ominique, she is an influencer who's on multiple platforms, and I first discovered her on YouTube. She always has super cute nails, very minimalistic, very simple, but at the same time, she has the ability to add her own personal flair. Today, I'm going to be recreating this set. Super cute, and it seems relatively simple to do, so I'm going to try my best to replicate how she had it in this photo. I'm going to be using only a few colors, some browns that I have for this from this set from Modal Loans. I also have a affiliate link down below if you guys want to save money on that specific brand. Use my link and you guys can save some money. So as you can see here, I'm just going in with a simple base coat. This is the same base coat that I use for every last one of my French tips. I'll link it down below, and it'll be attached to my Amazon storefront so you guys can shop around there and see what all I have purchased from Amazon. All the stuff that's there is stuff that I actually use and I actually like, so I won't ever put things on there that I don't like. I'm going to be using blooming gel to kind of replicate that blooming effect that's on the nails. It makes the design so much easier to make because the blooming gel pretty much does all of the work. I'm going to be taking a liner brush and just making strokes and dots all over my nails, but being sure to be intentional and not letting the blooming gel spread too much, otherwise it's going to become blobby. Fun fact, I've actually interacted with Kirah on a couple of different occasions through social media. I know I'm just like sounding like a fan at this point, but she did like one of my TikToks way back when, and then also she's replied to a few of my comments before. So Kirah is also very cool, down to earth. That's why I like her as a content creator, because she doesn't, come off as better than anybody. She's very down to earth and will always reach out to her fans because she loves them so much, and it's very obvious.
I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna do.
Last but not least, to bring this all together, I'm going to be going in with a different variation of pearls and chrome studs, and I'm going to be putting them on the gems however I see fit, and then also going off of the photo. I think this truly ties it all together. It makes it look so much more funky and fun, but keeps it minimal and not so flashy.
I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, sending action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be plastic. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna live, how you wanna spit, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunning till I get. You can do what you wanna live, how you wanna spit, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunning till I get.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming.
Once that is complete, this is what the final result looks like. I think it looks actually very similar to what the set that Kirah had on. I think it's super cute, very minimal, and just something fun for the fall. Really cute and girly, but at the same time adds a little bit of funky flair, which is something I really love about Kirah. But if you guys like this set, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!